How to block and unblock a contact on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app. Go to the chat list and tap the conversation with the person you want to block. If you don't have an open chat with that contact yet, you can search for it by tapping the lens in the top right and typing their name. Once the chat is open, tap the contact's name at the top, or their profile photo. A screen with the person's information will open. Scroll down until you find the Block Contact option. Tap that item, and WhatsApp will ask you to confirm. Tap Block, and that's it. From now on, that person will no longer be able to send you messages, call you or see your status, profile photo, or last seen. And you will no longer receive any notifications from them. If you want to unblock a contact that you previously blocked, you can do it in two ways. Method 1, directly from the chat. Go back to the blocked contacts conversation, tap on the name at the top, and this time you will find the item Unblock Contact. Tap and confirm. Method 2, from the settings. Go back to the main WhatsApp screen, tap on the three dots at the top right on Android, or settings at the bottom right on iPhone, go to Privacy, then to Blocked Contacts. Here you will see the complete list of contacts that you have blocked. Tap on the name you want to unblock, then select Unblock. Remember, blocking a contact is a discrete function. The person will not receive any notifications. They will simply stop being able to interact with you on WhatsApp. Now that you know how to block and unblock a contact, you can better manage your privacy and use WhatsApp with more peace of mind. If this video was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.